There used to be a graying tower alone on the sea. You became the light on the dark side of me. Love remains a drug that's the high and not the pill. But did you know that when it snows, my eyes become large and the light that you shine can't be seen? I can pay you to a kiss from a rose on the grave. Ooh, the more I get of you, the stranger it feels, yeah. And now that your roses...
Hey babe, love you heaps. I can't wait to see you at the end of the hole. See you soon. Love you.
There is so much a man can tell you, so much he can say. You remain my power, my pleasure, my pain, baby. To me, you're like a grown addiction that I can't deny. Won't you tell me, is that healthy, baby? But did you know that when it snows, my eyes become large and the light that you shine can't be seen?
Bloody nervous.
So any last words?
Just looking forward to our marriage, babe.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with?
Ladies and gentlemen, we're gathered here today in the sight of God and in you as witnesses as well, amongst family and friends, to witness the joining in holy matrimony of Neil John White to Julianne Chambers.
Surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't.
I, Julie,
I, Julie,
commit to you, Neil,
commit to you, Neil,
as my husband,
as my husband,
to make our home one of love,
to make our home one of love,
happiness and understanding,
happiness and understanding,
to give you all my trust
to give you all my trust
and all my heart.
and all my heart.
From this day onwards,
From this day onwards,
this is my vow.
this is my vow.
I, Neil,
I, Neil,
commit to you, Julie,
commit to you, Julie,
as my wife,
as my wife,
to make our home one of love,
to make our home one of love,
happiness,
happiness,
and understanding.
and understanding.
I give you all my trust
I give you all my trust
and all my heart
and all my heart
from this day onwards.
from this day onwards.
This is my vow.
This is my vow.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed days, dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors
But
of
ladies and gentlemen, I'd love to introduce you for the
Yeah,
very,
Mum and
very
Dad,
first
remember?
time, Mr. and Mrs.
Where is it?
Neil and Julie White.
Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Oh, yes.
This is our last goodbye. I hate to feel the love between us die, but it's over. Just hear this and then I'll go. You gave me more to live for, more than you'll ever.
Congratulations, Whitey. Awesome day, mate.
Well, this is our last embrace. Must I dream and always see your face? Why can't we overcome this war? Baby, maybe it's just
How does it feel to be married now?
Fantastic. Absolutely brilliant.
How are you feeling now?
Fantastic. Do you like the dress?